Unveiling the Mystery, the meaning of lifting the veil. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, lifting the veil. This phrase is rich in meaning and is used in various contexts, from legal to everyday language. Join me as we explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in your conversations. Let's lift the veil on this expression. Lifting the veil has a poetic and somewhat ancient ring to it. Historically, it refers to a bride's veil being lifted during a wedding ceremony, symbolizing the unveiling of something hidden. This act has deep roots in cultural traditions and symbolizes transparency, new beginnings, and a revelation of true identity or information. In everyday language, lifting the veil is used metaphorically. It means to reveal something that is hidden or to give clarity to a mysterious or complicated situation. For example, when someone says, "The documentary lifted the veil on the realities of the fashion industry," they mean that the documentary revealed hidden truths or facts that were not previously known. In the world of business and law, lifting the veil has a specific connotation. It's often referred to as piercing the corporate veil, which means looking beyond a company's legal entity status to hold its owners personally liable. This usually happens when the company is involved in legal disputes or fraud, and the court decides to look at the actions of the individuals behind the company. Lifting the veil is a versatile phrase and can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. Literature and analysis. The author lifts the veil on the societal norms of the 19th century. 2. Personal revelations. He lifted the veil on his life story during the interview. 3. Exposing truths. The investigation lifted the veil on the corruption in the organization. Remember, using this phrase adds a layer of depth and sophistication to your conversation or writing. I hope this video has lifted the veil on the meaning and usage of this intriguing phrase. Whether you're using it in everyday conversation, analyzing literature, or discussing business and legal matters, lifting the veil is a powerful way to convey the act of revealing hidden truths or gaining deeper insights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language videos.